Got extra ripe bananas and don't want to bake a bread because it's too hot? Don't throw them away. Do this instead. Make this delicious, ooey gooey, creamy, cool, soft serve peanut butter and ice cream instead. It's so delicious and super easy to make. Let me show you how. Add some frozen bananas to a food processor or a really good blender. Then you're gonna get 2 pitted dates, any kind of dates you have on hand. Throw them in there. Next, you're gonna get your favorite peanut butter. If you guys follow me, you know store-bought Jif peanut butter is my absolute favorite. I always have it on hand, so I'm gonna use some of that. And then I'm gonna add a splash of vanilla extract with another splash of water. Then I'm going to blend that up until I get a beautiful consistency like you see here, a nice thick creamy consistency. And that is about it. If you guys want to, toss in your favorite vegan chocolate chips, but I love to eat it like this too. Add it to a bowl. You can even add it to your ice cream cone and enjoy it like you would any traditional ice cream. It is so deliciously thick, creamy, and sweet. You would think that there was sugar in it, but there is no added sugar to this. We are using the beautiful natural sugars of the extra ripe banana and the dates. This is sure to keep you satisfied all year long, but especially on the hot summer days.